1.47 miles. Elevation gain 1,350 feet. Extreme difficult. It's really hot right now. Yep, it is hot. It's the rules. Yep, so apparently there are 2 different trails that goes to the top of this Camelback Mountain. So I'm coming from this trail here. It's called Cholla Trail. And there's another one called Echo Canyon Trail, which is from the other side. Phoenix, Arizona. And the heat, I can feel it. Whew. Cactus. Oh, that's a golf course. That's the golf course. There's another, like a little peak or the mountains, like in the middle of the city. And then these random cactus all over. I'm being grilled by this heat. The heat, oh god, so hot. Oh, that's nice. They marked the trail for us. Over there. This trail is pretty short. I think the heat is the main factor that's causing dehydration. I like how there's like little cactus here and there. It's so cute. And that one right there too. Let go. Made it. Damn, it's hot. Man, I'm going down the trail right now, and it's just so hot. Oh my gosh. It's end of September. It's 12:30 and it feels like over 100 degrees. I even checked the temperature. I ran out of water. Man, I underestimated this hike. I mean, it's fine, it's just the heat and the dehydration is really getting me. Advice to you all, bring plenty of water. Bring like a backpack where you can put that water in, and then you're gonna be crawling over all these rocks to get to the top. So, and the rocks are hot, so make sure your hands are free for this one. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why it's called Camelback, because we're just going along this Camelback. So in the desert, of course, the camel in the desert. I just cannot wait to go down and get iced coffee or ice water. So I'm gonna stop by the coffee shop or whatever to get drinks, and then that will be it for today.